Hey everyone, today we're riding from Nanaimo to Courtenay and back. It's a beautiful day for it. Starting in Departure Bay, we're going to start our 220 kilometer loop. You can track the progress of this ride on the heads-up display on your screen. Fanny Bay Road is a great oceanside scenic route up to the north end of Nanaimo. Connecting briefly on the Old Highland Highway before taking Dickinson Road down to Lantzville. From Dickinson Road to Lantzville Road, we can take this slow route to bypass a bit of the highway. Rejoining the Island Highway, we're going to run parallel to Nanaimo Bay before turning off at Northwest Bay Road. Northwest Bay Road gets a fantastic scenic alternative route to Parksville, BC. Check out the twists and turns along the way. We are taking the Old Island Highway all the way to Courtenay, BC. Also known as the Seaside Route, this is a great path for those who are wanting to take in the views and are not in a hurry. We will take a quick diversion down Judges Row in Qualicum Beach, BC, which is a prestigious waterfront area named after the 4 judges who established homes here in the 1930s. Qualicum Beach is a charming, scenic town on Vancouver Island's east coast, known for its sandy beaches, mild climate, and relaxed, retirement-friendly atmosphere. This is one of the beautiful stretches of the highway as it hugs the ocean. It can get a bit slow in the summer though. The Old Island Highway, also known as the Oceanside Route, runs parallel to the island's eastern shores and features fantastic views of the Salish Sea. We just left Qualicum Beach and we'll be passing through Qualicum Bay, Lighthouse Country, Fanny Bay, Union Bay, and other communities before we reach Courtenay, BC. Another breathtaking oceanside view as we enter Qualicum Bay, BC. Fanny Bay is a quiet, scenic seaside community known as a major hub for shellfish farming, specifically the Pacific oysters and clam. It offers access to nearby Denman Island via the Buckley Bay ferry terminal. Enjoy the long stretch of oceanside riding in this part of the highway. Denman Island is one of the northern Gulf Islands, known for its artistic community, natural beauty, and sustainable slow-paced lifestyle. It is accessible via a 10-minute BC ferry through Buckley Bay. We have reached Courtenay, BC, a vibrant city serving as a cultural and commercial hub of the Comox Valley. Courtenay is known for its art scene, farming, fishing, and nearby skiing at Mount Washington, as well as access to Strathcona Park. Here we're going to start our return to Nanaimo, BC, but first, let's check out Cumberland. Nestled in the foothills of the Beaufort Mountains on Vancouver Island, Cumberland is a former coal mining town that has reinvented itself as a world-class destination for outdoors enthusiasts and culture seekers. Cumberland wears its history on its sleeve. It once had one of the largest Chinatowns in North America, and its historic brick buildings now house a trendy mix of businesses. It is now a popular outdoors destination, with extensive mountain biking trails and access to Comox Lake. We will return back to Nanaimo via the Inland Highway, Highway 19. Although we're going to make a quick diversion to Highway 4A, to visit Coombs, BC. Coombs is one of Vancouver Island's most whimsical and popular roadside stops. What started as a small farming settlement in 1910 has evolved into a quirky must-visit destination famous for its eclectic shops and peculiar architectural features. Its undisputed claim to fame is the Coombs Old Country Market, which features a grass-covered roof where a herd of resident goats grazes from May through October. I hope you enjoyed this motorcycle tour from Nanaimo to Courtenay and back. Please like, subscribe, and all those other things to join me on my next adventure.